Welcome to DDR Performance. In today's video, we'll be speaking about our 2015 carbon fiber DDR intake for a 2015 Mustang GT. Our kit comes complete to install at home. Let's start here with the heat shield. It protects the filter from all the heat dissipated from the engine. 6-inch filter goes on this velocity stack, 4.5-inch on the other side. And then here we got the carbon fiber, top grade carbon fiber material. It's lightweight. It protects the air from heat also from the engine. It comes with 2 silicone hoses, 4 clamps, and then all the accessories needed to install that kit easily at home. We got all the PCV hoses. We got the sound tube plug-off adapter. And then we have the silicone or the rubber gasket for the mass air meter. And then we have the screws to fit the mass air meter easily on this carbon fiber pipe. Last but not least, green filter, high performance, high flowing filter. It's made specially for DDR Performance to withstand the harsh weather of the Middle East here, the dust weather and the heat. So this kit makes 38 horsepower with our custom tune. You can buy it from our website. The video to install the kit is right below here. And our website, you can also read it in the description in the bottom. Welcome to DDR Performance and thank you. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more information, visit our website, ddrperformance.com.